Low-maintenance indoor plants. Indoor plants make homes look fresh, beautiful, and peaceful, but many people worry that plants require too much care and attention. The good news is that many low-maintenance indoor plants are easy to grow and perfect for beginners. These plants can survive with minimal watering and care while still making your home look green and lively. One of the most popular low-maintenance plants is the snake plant. This plant is famous for its tall, upright leaves and its ability to survive in low light and dry conditions. Snake plants do not need frequent watering, making them perfect for busy people or beginners who sometimes forget to water their plants. Another amazing indoor plant is the pothose, also known as the money plant. Pothose plants grow quickly and beautifully with very little effort. They can survive in both water and soil and grow well in indirect sunlight. Their trailing vines look beautiful on shelves, hanging baskets, and tables. ZZ plants are also excellent low-maintenance indoor plants. Their shiny green leaves make them look elegant and modern. ZZ plants can survive in low light and need watering only occasionally. They are perfect for offices, bedrooms, and living rooms because they stay healthy with very little care. Peace lilies are another beautiful option for indoor decoration. Their dark green leaves and white flowers add elegance to any room. Peace lilies prefer indirect light and only need watering when the soil becomes dry. They also help improve indoor air quality, making the environment feel fresher. Spider plants are loved for their long, arching leaves and easy growth. These plants are very forgiving and can survive even if you miss watering occasionally. They also produce baby plants that can be replanted easily, making them fun and rewarding to grow. Aloe vera is another excellent low-maintenance plant that is both decorative and useful. It needs very little water and grows best in bright indirect light. Aloe vera is also known for its soothing gel, which many people use for skin care and minor burns. Rubber plants are perfect if you want a larger indoor plant that is easy to care for. Their large glossy leaves add a luxurious touch to living rooms and corners. Rubber plants grow well indoors with moderate light and occasional watering. When caring for low-maintenance plants, the most important thing is avoiding overwatering. Many indoor plants suffer because they receive too much water rather than too little. Always check the soil before watering and allow it to dry slightly between watering sessions. Another tip is to clean the leaves regularly. Dust can collect on indoor plant leaves and reduce their beauty. Wiping the leaves gently with a damp cloth helps the plant stay healthy and shiny. Low-maintenance indoor plants are perfect for creating a peaceful green home without spending too much time on plant care. Even a few simple plants can completely change the atmosphere of your room and make your home feel fresher, more relaxing, and more welcoming every single day.